Welcome to the latest from the Force 13th Australia Oceania channel on a tropical low in Vest 93S and 94P to the east of the Solomon Islands. On the screen is a look at the life of the tropical low in Vest 93S up to earlier today. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's position remains unchanged, and they have issued a tropical cyclone formation alert. Available data does not justify issuance of a numbered tropical cyclone warnings at this time. Winds in the area estimated to be 28 to 33 knots. METSAT imagery indicates that a circulation centre is located near 7.6 degrees south, 129.1 degrees east. The system is moving southward at 5 knots. Animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery shows the ball with deep central convection being sheared to the south and west of a low-level circulation centre that is obscured by the convection. A microwave image shows that the centre is still broad, with the deep convection displaced south and west of the centre and wrapping in. Robust divergence aloft and warm 29 to 30 degrees Celsius sea surface temperatures offsetting moderate 15 to 25 knot vertical wind shear. Global models are in good general agreement that 93S will develop within the next 24 hours while tracking slowly southward. Although the moderate shear may slow the timeline of consolidation development, maximum sustained surface winds estimated at 28 to 33 knots. Minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be around 998 millibars. The potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone, as mentioned within the next 24 hours, remains high. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated 28 to 33 knots, and minimum sea level pressure estimated to be around 998 millibars. That's the latest from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre on the tropical low. And here's the latest on the tropical low, located at 8.3 degrees south, 129.2 degrees east. Winds 30 knots and minimum central pressure is 1000 millibars. Now this is the first track chart of the system by the Indonesian Meteorological Service or agency on what they have as a tropical depression, but should be tropical cyclone status within the next few hours. And we go back to the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre, and here is their cyclone formation alert track chart for the tropical low. Now we have a look at various tracks on the tropical low. Information, right hand side of the screen. The different colours represent the models. EPS track guidance. Late cycle track guidance. It's far too early to say what the system's going to do, although they have it tracking south. Now we switch to the Coral Sea at 10 AM Wednesday. A weak tropical low was located just to the east of Honiara in the Solomon Islands. This is Invest 94p. The low is likely to move slowly southwest into the central Coral Sea by late in the week and may undergo some development in a reasonably favourable environment. The system will remain well offshore and poses no threat to the Queensland coast. Tropical cyclone outlooks will continue while the system retains any significant potential to develop into a tropical cyclone. And the percentages remain interesting. For today it's very low, then for Friday and Saturday it goes to low. And finally, in this update, we have a look at the NOAA floaters, very brief, on Invest 94p. We will continue to bring the latest information, and as soon as either the Indonesian Weather Office officially upgrades Invest 93S to tropical cyclone status, or the Joy Typhoon Warning Centre under their criteria, the Force 13's main channel will also provide coverage to the system. And for those viewing the AU channel and via the Facebook page, there will be another update later on today.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.